V, Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video, we are making a card box, gift box, using this die called File Card Storage Box. This die can be found at ScrapDivaDesigns.com. I will have her link below. Also, this is her information here at ScrapDivaDesigns.com. Her Instagram is ScrapDiva.29 and her YouTube is ScrapDiva29. Also, if you need more inspiration, please check out this hashtag ScrapDivaDesigns, and you would be able to see other talented crafters that are creating with her dies and gain some more inspiration from there. If I inspired you today, please use my discount code. That's V10, VEE10, and that'll save you. So let's go ahead and get on into this. We are gonna make this card box, gift box. So it is, oh my goodness, you guys. So how neat would it be to gift a gift with a card already incorporated in the box, right? So I created this little box here, and the front panel pulls out, and this is where the card is. It's all pieced together. You see the balloons here in the inside as well as the balloons on the outside. I am also using ScrapDivaDesigns Cupcake Memory Dex die, and this is it right here. So you get so many pieces in this as well. Let's go ahead and talk about the die. So the die comes with 14 pieces, and the approximate measurements for the box is 5 1/8 by 5 3/8 tall. So that's inches as well. So you could kind of get an idea of how tall it is, how wide it is. The width is 2 inches right here. So such a cute little box, you guys. I am using the paper pad by Michaels called It's Your Day, and it is a Recollections brand. So I picked this up at Michaels. I finally was able to find it. So let's go ahead and get started with the box. So I want to show you the inside here. So this is what the inside looks like. You're able to line it as well. So the box does come with some lining. So you get the base. You also get the lining for each side of the box. And you also get these two sentiments, one that says, you're the best crafty friend, and the other says, craft like no one is watching. So definitely a cute little gift box that you could gift in swaps, as well as parties, as well as racks, as well as a birthday gift as I decorated here. So I am also using some of the Hooray collection pieces, not all of them. The balloons is a SVG file from the Silhouette Design Store. Also the stickers here are from the Hooray collection. I did line the inside and as well as the back in white. Okay, I also did some stitching. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So excited, you guys. This is such a fun little project. So go ahead and form your box. Once you've formed your box, go ahead and cut a piece that's going to be 5 1/2 by 5 1/4. Score at 1 inch. So once you've scored at 1 inch, go ahead and fold that. So it's going to look like that. Get the lining part of your die, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the cardstock right at the edge of the die, right underneath where the cut line is. So that's where you put it, and then you run it through your die machine, and it'll cut out like so, like this. So this is the score of 1 1/2, and that's what it will cut out. Once you've cut that out, what you're going to want to do is just snip a smidge of the sides on the 1/2 inch score, like so. Okay. So you could set that aside now, And what you want to do next is cut 2 pieces. So the 2 pieces here are for the lining of the box and the inside lining of the front cover, like so. So what you would do is you would sandwich the 2 pieces inside the outer piece, keeping the 1/2 inch score part on the top of the box. So let's go ahead and do that. But before I do that, as you can see, since there's a fold right here, you can see that there is a piece hanging out. So we're going to cut a smidge of that off on the left hand side of the lining, the inside lining. So let's go ahead and do that. Here are the pieces, and it cut out perfect. So you can see here that you can't see the inside of the card on the outside panel, so it's all cut very evenly, if you can see on that side here. So it's just a smidge. It's right before the dotted lines, as you can see right there. So you want to just cut right before you get to the dotted line. And let's go ahead and put all this together. So I'm going to do this super fast so you can just see real quick how easy it is. I will use some liquid glue for this. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to glue this together. So I'm going to move the box out of the way, and let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now let's line the other side, like so. So I'm just going to put it right on top of the last one and glue. Okay, grab your box, and now we're gonna, and you know what I forgot? I'm so glad that I did not use, okay, so what I forgot is the magnets. We need magnets, you guys. Yeah, don't forget your magnets. These magnets are from Amazon. I will have it linked below. They will only go through a very thin layer of cardstock. So I'm just gonna set one there, making sure that it's on the right side, putting the other one right underneath on top of the bottom lining. And so, okay, so it's set right. So now I could go ahead and glue this all together. Okay, so grab that magnet there, and we're gonna move it to the back. So there it is. Making sure everything is all glued down. Grab your box, and now we're gonna glue this to the front side of the box. I used hot glue, but that's just my preference. So I'm just gonna use liquid glue here just to show you. I also want to show you the die comes with this piece here, and what this piece is just for, like, since it is a file box, it's for to place right here and possibly put some sort of title there or sentiment or whatever. So yeah, keep this because I didn't use this on my card box, but this is a very handy little piece here that you can use as a pull tab. And reason being I didn't because on this box here I added some pop dots to the back, so you're able just to pull it with that. So super easy. And so what you would want to do, just grab a pen of your choice, and you would just write the word pull, like so, and then just glue it right on. And I'm gonna glue the front cover first. I'm just gonna use hot glue for the purpose of the video here, and I know that I won't be able to completely mess this up. Okay, that's all done, you guys. So now here's the pull mechanism. You could decorate your box to the theme that you'd love. Any holiday would be sufficient for this box. Such a cute little box. And please check out ScrapDiva29. She will be linked below. This concludes the video. Hope you enjoy that, and I will see you in the next video.